How to roll back an Intel graphics driver. So in this video, I'll show you how to use an older version of an Intel graphics card. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your start menu, search for the word device manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down arrow next to display adapters, and then you need to right click on your Intel graphics card and then click on properties. You could then select driver, and the first way to roll back a driver is by clicking the rollback driver button. Now sometimes you won't have this option and it will be grayed out like so. Now if this is the case, you'll just need to press update driver and then press browse my computer for drivers. You could then select let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then you can go and select the second option and press next. Now if it's still not working, the last solution is to right click on the Intel graphics card and click on properties. You can then press driver, and here you'll see the driver date and also the driver version as well. So what you can do is head over to an internet browser and type in Intel graphics drivers. You can then click on the top website, and then you can scroll down and click on graphics. Now here you'll find all of the previous versions of your graphics cards. So what you can do is cross-reference this information with the driver date and the driver version, and then you can go and manually install an older version of Intel.